Hi guys, my name is Rosa Leon and I own several businesses. I have been working with Make Future IT and in particularly with Mohammed for I think almost 2 years now. And this company have made a few logos for me, designed my websites, anything I am requesting from them I receive an excellent service. So highly recommended. I have a medical spa. I also have a retail company. I am an educator, so I do a lot of different things in the beauty industry. And working with Mohammed is very easy. He has created a lot of different things for me, and I was surprised because he's not in the beauty industry, and every time I ask him for a task or a project, he's always on point, um, timely returns. He always provides excellent service, very easy to work with. Um, I have been for 2 years. I have been with this company, and every time I know that every time I give them something, a task or a project, they're on point. They provide me with excellent service, and I never have to worry, even though we are at a very long distance. I am always pleased. So I look forward to continue working with them. And thank you very much for doing a great job, Mohammed.